everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey everyone, so I am trying to eat healthier and make better decisions what's going on in my body. So that's what I've been trying out to do for this month, and I'm doing good so far. Right now I am I've been trying new foods and new recipes, like vegan recipes and things that I can eat that will be healthier for me rather than going to fast food to buy stuff. So this is what I tried out. So this is what I had got from Food City, and they're cauliflower wings with a barbecue sauce, and it didn't cost that much. And this is what it turned out. This is the way it looks now. So super excited. I already tried one and it was so delicious. So I'm excited and I'm proud of myself for trying something new. So, and yeah, so I'm gonna go and eat this and call it a day. Catch you guys on flip, and hopefully you're eating healthy and being productive and try. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, turn notification bell on. Hope you like and enjoy this video, and as I always say, deuces, valuches.